CDL Pre-Trip Inspection. Complete 2026. Why it's critical. Highest failure rate. Pre-trip is most commonly failed part of CDL skills test. Examiner observes for thoroughness, verbalization, and ability to identify problems systematically. For example, silent inspection automatically fails. Must say, I'm checking the steering box for cracks, leaks, mounting bolts. Engine compartment. 1. Oil level, dipstick check. 2. Coolant level, reservoir check. 3. Power steering fluid level. 4. Belts, no cracks, less than 3/4 inch slack. 5. Hoses, no leaks, secure connections. 6. Water pump, alternator mounted properly. 7. Air compressor mounted, no leaks. Cab interior. 1. Mirrors, clean, properly adjusted. 2. Steering wheel, less than 10 degrees free play. 3. Brake pedal, firm, full travel. 4. Clutch, free play 1 to 2 inches. 5. Gauges, all working. 6. Seat belt, condition, latching. 7. Horn, audible. Front of vehicle. 1. Headlights, high and low beam work. 2. Turn signals, both sides functional. 3. Marker lights, clean and lit. 4. Reflectors, visible. 5. Bumper, not damaged. 6. Hood and grille, secure. Side of vehicle. 1. Fuel tank, secure, no leaks. 2. Battery box, closed, no acid. 3. Drive shaft, not damaged. 4. Exhaust system, no leaks, secure. 5. Frame, no cracks. 6. Mud flaps, present, condition. Tires and wheels. 1. Tread depth, 4 32 inch steering, 2 32 inch other. 2. Cuts, bulges, sidewall damage. 3. Properly inflated, visual. 4. Wheel rim not cracked or bent. 5. Lug nuts, all present and tight. 6. Hub oil seal not leaking. Brakes and suspension. 1. Brake drums, no cracks. 2. Brake hoses, secure, no leaks. 3. Slack adjusters, proper push rod travel. 4. Air tanks, drained. 5. Springs, not cracked. 6. U-bolts, secure. Rear of vehicle. 1. Tail lights, brake and signal work. 2. Reflectors and reflective tape. 3. License plate, present, illuminated. 4. Mud flaps. 5. Rear bumper, secure. Combination vehicles. Trailer inspection. Add trailer-specific items, fifth wheel jaw closed around kingpin, air line secure, electrical line connected, landing gear up, cargo doors latched. For example, fifth wheel, jaws fully closed around kingpin, locking pin engaged, mounting bolts present. Air brake check. Required test. After completing inspection, perform in-cab air brake check, leak rate static and applied, low pressure warning, governor cutout, parking brake test. For example, I'm building pressure to 100 psi. Now testing for leak rate, should not exceed 3 psi per minute static. Test day verbalization tips. 1. Say what you're checking and what you're looking for. 2. Use exact terminology from CDL manual. 3. Be systematic, work around the vehicle. 4. Don't skip items even if you don't see them. 5. Examiner cannot help, silent equals fail. Common examiner tests. 1. Hidden defect placed to see if you catch it. 2. Asks, what are you doing now? 3. Watches for hands-on verification. 4. Notes time spent on each section. 5. Looks for systematic approach. Pass strategy. Practice verbalizing checks while inspecting your own vehicle. Memorize order. Use the same routine every time. Find local CDL school for hands-on practice if struggling. Most schools include pre-trip prep.